Today is my indoor and outdoor garden. I want to show. Look at that, my jackfruit, quite big. In UK, jackfruit growing. Look at this one, make me excited, guys. Look at that. I don't know you can see properly. This is opposite from sun. This is like a matured branch. Look at that. It's matured branch. Sorry, shake. Yeah, this is look like a matured branch. This I like it. Branch become matured. No. Which one I'm showing? Yeah, that one. Sorry. When you make zoom, yeah, you see, like matured plants. So this plant growing slowly because of this branch taking all energy to grow. So it's cool anyway. This this is every jackfruit plant have own character and different. This I'm checking. The jackfruit is alternative of bread and cancer killing property. They have June sometime making problem. And every jackfruit have own character and growing different way. This I'm excited about really. And this is for all 1 year old, and this is this year. This year also look quite big. They grow huge in first year. This also this year. Let me zoom out. Yeah, this is also this year. This is last year. Grow very less. I don't know, maybe was small pot this way. And this is look how many branch this one make. Already 3 you can see, and more coming. Very productive. I want to show my garden today, outdoor garden. Look at that sunflower. Ooh, cool sunflower. You see, yellow sunflower. This is sunflower grow automatically like a potato they have. You can eat. I don't know the name at the moment. So it's like a sweet potato, and every year they come back. This is fun. So my garden today is like this, guys. They have some roses also, and too much grapes. I already make video before, guys. Too many grapes I have, and some rose I have, and also I have, you can see from here, I have like the very scenty flower is honeysuckle. Yeah, guys, very nice scent honeysuckle have. So sunflower look very great from far away. This is my outdoor, and this is my indoor, guys. I'm excited about my plant. This is very look like matured big plant branch, getting bigger and fatter. And every single jackfruit, it is maybe Bangladeshi jackfruit, and Bangladesh is national fruit of Bangladesh, jackfruit. And my favorite, guys, I love jackfruit because alternative of bread. I don't like cooking food. I like only like uncooked and vegan food. So this is very good because seed is a nut quality have. Even from seed you can make, you know, well beauty product you can make. This branch is in a very good. Wow, I love it, guys. Only in 1 year this tree look like a mature plant and so healthy, nice. And I put this one for extra moisture, and I shouldn't give water here, so I could do this. I'll give water only here, guys. So everyone grow your own fruits, vegetables, and enjoy your fruit vegetables, because you shouldn't trust market. uh, who's selling fruits, vegetable for you and taking your money, you never can trust them. For you, for your family, nobody. So you have to grow yourself. Look at that. I have planned to make a heated greenhouse outside so I can grow more fruit, vegetable, exotic one, and a whole year to get my fruit, vegetable grow by myself. More and more productive way possible to grow. So I just waiting to do this. Look at that, guys. My branch. Compare with my finger. This is only 1 year old. So take care yourself, guys. Grow your vegetable. Today sky is cloudy. Very, very cloudy. Enjoy. They are safe, happy, and growing, doing very well. Take care yourself, guys. Love yourself, love your family. Always be healthy, be positive, do be active, and practice ethical matter. Bye bye and peace up.